Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Doctor. My name is IRDINA as the first representative from my group, Team Krada. My group members are Muhammad FIKRI, BINTI, NURUL AQILAH and SITI NURKHAYRINA. So here, in this presentation, we will present our project proposal for the case study called as Extreme Race. So, what is the extreme race? Do you know a TV show called as Ninja Warrior? Basically, we bring this concept to our program proposal called as Extreme Race. Okay, why we choose this program? It is because this program will absolutely involve some graduate success attributes, which are communication skills, leadership skills, team working skills, and the best part is, of course, critical thinking skills. In order for the participants, or basically the team, which will be consist of 4 person per group, they need to go throughout all the challenges and obstacles during the race. Okay, this is some of the contents that will be taught during our presentation. The first one, it will be graduate success attributes in the activity. The next one, activity details, activity background and target participants, invited guests or presenters, tentative of the activity, financial statement, monitoring and evaluation, importance of the proposal, and the last one, it will be our conclusion. Okay, the first one, graduate success attribute in the activity. As I said earlier, we are focused on 4 skills, which is 4 graduate success attributes that could be involved in our project proposal, which are team working, critical thinking skills, communication skills, and also leadership skills. Why do we need team working? This program requires team working in order for them to achieve or to get to the finishing line faster than the other group. Okay, the next one, critical thinking skills. Of course, we do need critical thinking skills in order for us to go through each of every challenges, because most of the obstacles we provided will be not easy to go through. Okay, communication skills. If we need team working, we also need communication skills because we have to talk and to communicate among our group to make sure that we can decide a good decision for them to get through until the finishing line. So here, I can simply summarize that this communication skills is the ability to convey ideas, to point out our own ideas during the participants in order for them to make decisions. And also leadership skills is very important. All of the participants need these leadership skills in order for them to guide their team members. So if these leadership skills apply during the race, it will be very helpful for them to go through from the start line to the finishing line. Okay, before we decided to choose this program, we have conducted a survey, which these surveys require a respondent to answer some questions regarding graduate success attributes, and they also need to decide and choose the most preferred program proposal to be proposed. From this, we can easily observe that most of the respondents lack in critical thinking skills, communication skills, entrepreneurship skills, and the last one, it will be leadership skills. Therefore, this program will be very helpful for them to increase some of these skills. And also, at the last question, most of the respondents choose this extreme race to be proposed.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad FIKRI bin ISMAIL. So right now we'll be presenting about our program activity that will be held during the extreme race, and the details about the activity or the extreme race. Okay, so on the left we can see is our official extreme race logo. Okay, on the right side will be the information about the venue, date and time. So for the venue, it will be held at Padang Kawat UTM, and the date will be on 22nd of February 2021, and the time will be on 8 AM in the morning until 6 PM in the evening. It will be giving more tense fights between the participants because change of temperature and weather and everything. Okay, there are 6 activities that will be held or be the main focus during the extreme race, or the obstacles. You can say the obstacles that will be faced by the participants during the extreme race. The first one is red car climbing, where all the participants need to climb through a red car, with so it will be testing their skills in order to climb the car. Okay, the next one is log rolling. Okay, the log rolling is where the participant will be pushing a heavy log, okay, in a specific distance, okay, such as 500 meter or 100 meter. Okay, so we'll be pushing the log. Okay, they can push it together, they can push it individually, it depends, but the single log will be very heavy, so the teamworks are very important here. So heads up and heads down, so there will be many bars, okay, with two heights, which is high and low. So the high one, they will have to climb up above it and to get through it, where the low one, they will be crawling underneath it. So there will be like 5 pairs of this high and low bar for them to get through. Okay, the last one, the fourth one is tire from hell. So tire from hell, they will have to lift the tire and roll it together. Okay, not roll as in pushing the tire, it will be rolling like that, but roll in terms of flipping it. Okay, flipping it. Okay, so the next one is rock shifting. So rock shifting, there will be many heavy rocks with different weights. So they have to work together, okay, to test their muscles and strengths. Okay, these are same with tire from hell and log rolling. So for rock shifting, they will have to lift the rock and transfer it to another point, from one point to another point. Okay, so the last one is lava swim. So after all the intense lifting and climbing and crawling activities and pushing, so they will have to swim, or they can just walk in the man-made pool, so that their agility, their stamina will be tested to its very end. Okay, and then there will be the finish line. Okay, the activity will be focusing on the time. Okay, the team that get the fastest time will win the event. Okay, next one, activity background and target participants. So for the activity backgrounds, the program is dedicated to motorized and non-motorized extreme indoor and or outdoor sports. The next one is the program features an assortment of trails and attractions that cater to the entertainment needs of all students. It suits every student level. Okay, so next one is our target participants. There will be 2 target participants that will be our focus. They will become our focus. The first one is UTM students. Okay, that's the most important thing. And then the next one is staff. Okay, UTM staff. Okay, so I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, next, for the invited guests and the presenters, we will invite Dr. Sri Reza Markanina, which is our Minister of Youth and Sports, along with our to our program, along with the Chancellor of UTM. They will participate to watch the activities in the extreme race. So for the tentative of activities, tentative of activities, we will begin with the participant registration in 8 a.m. until 8:30 a.m. So in this between time, participants needed to register their team and the activities that they will want to join. So after the participant registration done, we will proceed to the arrival of the guests, the VIP guests, which is our Minister of Youth and the Chancellor of UTM, in until 9:30 a.m. So after that, after the arrival of the guests, we will launch the ceremony, and after launching the ceremony in 9:30 a.m. until 10 8:30 a.m. We will proceed to the preparation of the participant. So all the participants will given a time to prepare all their needs and the equipment. So the given time is 30 minutes, which is 10:30 until 11 a.m. So after that, uh, when the preparation has finished, the rest will start in 11 a.m. until 5 p.m. So in this between this time, all the activities will take place. So after the race ends, it we will proceed to the prize giving and the closing ceremony. So it is between 1 hour, which is 5 p.m. until 6 p.m. So after that, all the participants and the guests will be dismissed in 6 p.m. So that's all from me. We will proceed with my friend. Thank you.
Okay, so now I want to talk about the financial statement for the extreme program. So for the allocation of the money, so now the money that will be allocate for the exchange rate is using for three categories. First thing is provision from AHMAD. It will be total allocation will be with 20,000, and the sponsorship will be kept 15,000, and the participant fee for each one participant will be take one team will be take the participant fee of 100 ringgit. Okay, so in the total will be like around 12 teams, so total will be 1,200. So for the total allocation will be get is 36,200 ringgit. And then for the expense that we use for the allocation is to buy the first thing the prices from the first place, second place, third place, and then consolation. And then for the total expense for these prices is 9,000 ringgit and 200 ringgit. And for technical, including the mic and then the apparatus and the equipment, all the that include will be counting inside medical and others will be total with 20,000. And then for the food, total 100 participant with each one 20 ringgit, so total is 2,000. And for the multimedia, like the sound stage and others will be used for 1,800 ringgit. And for buying the souvenir for the guests, first thing is those 3 bag is 3 times 50, not only for the guests and also the participant, medal, t-shirt, certificate, and also trophy. So all total is 910 ringgit. And around all these things in the total of total expense will be 33,910 ringgit. So this is for the allocation of money and also the expense. So now we are going to the monitoring and evaluation. For the monitoring and evaluation during the program, so there are four evaluation. First thing is team working, second one critical thinking, third thing is communication, and the last one leadership. So for the team working, because this exchange race is a team, so to complete the races, each member in the group has to work together. So work together and to pass through all the obstacle to go to the finish line. And then second one is critical thinking, because each obstacle have different types of situation that you need to pass through. So each team must have a critical thinking, so they can solve the problem and also to solve the obstacle. And the third thing is communication, because it is involve a team, so each member must have a good communication skill to discuss and also to quick thinking and also discuss and find the idea how to complete the race in the quickest way. And the last one is leadership, and each team will be appoint leader. They will lead their group. So the leader must lead their members to go to the finish line with safe and also good critical thinking and leading them towards the good decision. So this for the evaluation during the program. So now I'll pass it to other members to talk about the importance of the proposal. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, my name is NURUL. So now I'm going to explain the importance of this proposal. So the first point is this program will help to increase and also improve graduate success attributes among UTM students and also staff. The second point is this program also help to expose the value of graduate success attributes in completing each and every challenges throughout this race. Next is it also helps students in practicing themselves to organize a big event in UTM. So the fourth point is it also helps to promote a healthy lifestyle through outdoor and also indoor activities. Next, it also helps to encourage students and also staff in participating themselves in sport activities and also competitions. So the last importance is it also helps to promote extreme sports among UTM students and staff. Okay, now let's move on to the conclusion. So, in conclusion, we believe that this program will be really helpful to ensure that UTM students and also staff are exposed to the importance of graduate success attributes. At the same time, we also believe that extreme sports also will be preserved, enhanced, and not lost. So, that is all from us. Thank you.